Okay, trying to get this together. So last night my kids and I were having dinner, and I was trying to inspire them to enjoy life, to have a thirst for life and want to live it. And you can do whatever you want. Don't have kids until you're like 30. Don't get married till you're 30. Go out, date, have a life, like do stuff, have a career, enjoy life. My daughter said, "Can I swim with a dolphin?" I said, "That's feasible, yeah, actually." And my son said, "I want to swim with a whale." And I had to hold back so hard from telling him there might not be any whales when he becomes an adult. I also told him he might have to become a marine biologist in order to swim with a whale. But I had to hold back from telling my 2 months away from being 6-year-old son that there may not be whales on this planet when he becomes an adult. And that's not a joke. It's not to be made light of. I'm not kidding. That's serious. I was reading an article earlier this week that said between 2015 to 2021, they found that a 40% decrease had occurred across the board in blue whale songs. That's almost 50% people. That's 10%. That was 5 years ago, pretty much. Like we're almost to 2026, so I'm going to count it as 5 years ago. So within a 5-year study, 40% decrease in whale song in the ocean. And they feed off of krill, which are a cornerstone, keystone species food source. And whales are sounding the alarm on that. We need to do something drastic. Our issues on this planet are only going to get worse. We're not focusing right now on the right things. And that's not to make light of anything going on politically or within countries where there's war going on. That's wrong. War is wrong, and war is really a waste of life, which makes it really stupid. It is really unfortunate. We need to be putting aside petty human things that we think are important, because we're about to kill ourselves off. We're about to go extinct as humans because we aren't taking the extreme actions that we all should be getting behind to save our